Hello and welcome to Python for Analytics course by bCloudReady. In this course, we will give a quick introduction about Python and why it is very important for analytics work. Why Python for Analytics? Because it is a general purpose programming language. Unlike other programming languages like R, you don't have to be a statistician or any very specific use case. The skill that you learn as an analytics for Python can be used for other purpose as well. So that's what it makes it very powerful and very popular. Second, it is very easy to learn, especially for someone who has no programming background at all. You don't have to go through complex syntax problems, semicolon, brackets and all. So it makes a very and perfect choice for someone who just want to get on with their job rather than getting into complex programming semantics. Third, it is dynamically typed. So now you will ask, what is dynamically typed? Dynamically typed means you do not need to compile this one. The moment you write the code and you just run it. Second, you don't need to worry about memory management. All memory management, complex computer science stuff is behind you. You just need to focus on your work. So take an example, you are an analytics job. You may be a project manager. You may be a business analyst. You don't care about memory and CPU. What you need to do is you need to get your Excel sheet and quickly run through some quick analytics work and get the job done. This is what handles the high level as well. Little information about Python. It was invented by a Google engineer, and now it has become one of the leading source of any kind of programming. So Google, PBS, NASA, everywhere you see Python is used extensively. The main power of Python lies on the batteries. When I say batteries, I mean the libraries. It is a very object-oriented programming. So once you scale your program, it is very easy to import any other libraries available. It gives you an interactive shell so that you can test it out any small program before you actually code into an editor. Strong introspection. Cross-platform. Cross-platform is the key word here. Once you learn Python, it doesn't matter whether you have a Windows, PC, Mac or Linux or even in cloud. It will work across the platform. There are many other variants of Python available: Cython, Jython, IronPython, so on and so forth. When it comes to analytics, Python has a really powerful modules. These are some of the modules which are commonly used in day-to-day Python for analytics works, like Python Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, visualization libraries, and PySpark, which is a big data implementation for Apache Spark. So the same skills that you learn as a Python developer, you can apply them for a big data work as well. So that makes it very powerful and very versatile skill set. Here are the few of the examples. So you can use Pandas, you can use big data, and you can use NumPy and Spark, and you can use in any of the cloud provider, namely Google Cloud Compute, Amazon Web Services, Azure, you name it. That's all for now. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.